Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage out-of mode for your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 100. You have to start by open SOUNDCORE application. Of course you need to add your speaker to the app, and then you will see them at the device list right here. Tap at your speaker. Now you need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here at the first line we have auto power off. Tap at this line, and now you can set it to 5 minutes, 10, 20 and 60 by just tap at the best one for you, and after that time your speaker will automatically turn off if you do not use it. But you can also disable this mode if you want to. Right here you need to click at the slider near to it if the slider have colorful background, and we just disable it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!